Hey y'all, I cook alligator over 100 different kinds of ways. I think I come up with a new way. We're fixing to make an alligator pizza. Yes, that's what I said, alligator pizza on a new Blackstone pizza oven. It's gonna be good. Y'all watch this.
Bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all, we fixing to cut up this alligator. Y'all, and I got a special kind of alligator here. I don't know if y'all can see this. That's old Troy, yes. And the reason I'm using Troy's gator meat is because Troy catches all these little bitty gators and they're much tenderer, you know, and that's why we're using Troy's gator meat. All right, y'all, follow along. We're fixing up. Sorry about that, Troy, I had to cut you. You can dump this meat out. Look at that. This is all cubed up, just like I like it. Let me show you what we're gonna do here. I got this, well, I called it bacon, but it's chopped up bacon. And it's, how you say that?
Pancetta.
Yeah. Yeah. What's pancetta mean? That's French for bacon?
Italian.
Italian for bacon, okay. Well, anyway, it looks like chunks of bacon. Call it pancetta, pancetta. Anyway, alligator don't have no fat in it. You cut the fat off alligator, you don't want to eat that. So we're gonna add some of this fat. I'm telling y'all, this bacon, y'all. We're gonna try to grind the gator and this together, because gator don't have fat in it. And we're gonna make some good seasoning with this. Mix it together. You'll see. Just watch. Some of that, some of this, some of that, more of that. Now I remember this grinder, this exact same grinder. It was Janet's dad had it when we first started dating. Thing we did it. We'll get this over here. Put it in the center of the plate. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. Okay, y'all notice I mixed all that fat and stuff in it. And we're gonna use this.
Tutto Italiano.
Yeah.
Blackstone Italian seasoning.
You heard him. We're gonna use this Blackstone seasoning on here, y'all. I'm gonna put a good bit. I'm gonna take the lid off. It'll be a lot easier that way. I want a lot of seasoning in there. What I'm making is basically, I'm making like a sausage, okay? There's not much salt in there, so we're gonna drop a little salt. You always need the pepper, won't hurt. Good there. Where's the garlic? Oh, y'all, this is that good stuff. We're gonna put a lot of that in here. It's that roasted garlic. Okay, y'all. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it all up real good. All right, y'all. I got this all rounded off. Let me go wash my hands real fast. Hey y'all, if you put this in a casing, you basically have alligator sausage. But we don't have no casing, we don't want no casing. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook this up over here, drop it on this griddle. First we're gonna throw a little oil down. Rub it in, rub it in. Drop it on here, get on there. We're just gonna let it cook down a little bit. This is why we had to use the pancetta. Gator meat don't have no fat in it. Well, gator meat has fat, but you cut it out. You don't want to eat it. So that's why we use the pancetta in here. All right, y'all. Let's clean all this mess up and we're gonna get to our dough. Hey, y'all. Pizza's not hard. And if you got your pizza oven, dough's cheap. Make some pizzas, play with it, you know. This is how I like to do it. I ain't saying it's the right way. I said this is how I like to do it. Now watch this, I oil my pan up real good. Okay, I'll show you how to make the dough in another video. This is flour, y'all. I'm gonna throw a little flour down on my board. Pull me a chunk of dough out of here. Ought to be enough, huh? What y'all think? I'm gonna work it down a little bit. Y'all, this is just like playing with my food. And y'all know I like playing with my food. So this is what we're gonna do. Now watch this, y'all. Fixing to go pro on you. We're gonna smash it out like this. What I'm doing is stretching that dough out. And I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun, so it don't matter. Okay, got it stretched out. We're gonna throw it on this. I'm gonna smash it out some more. You want them perfectly round, that's fine. I don't care. You know, when I chew it up and eat it, it ain't gonna make no difference. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is throw a little sauce on here. I'll show you how to make this sauce in another video. It's pretty easy. And I like a lot of sauce. Some people don't, some people do. We've got that happening. We're gonna get our gator and throw it on top. Watch this. Just knock it down, it don't matter. I like a lot of meat on my pizza. Like a lot of meat, a lot of cheese. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop some of these black olives. Just a few of them on there. I mean, this is the fun thing about pizza. Okay, if you got your own pizza oven, you can make what the heck you want. Make it yours. Make it your pizza. And that's what I'm doing here. Bruce Michell Alligator Pizza. Now the cheese is another thing. You got to have lots and lots and lots of cheese on it. I mean, I'm using mozzarella cheese, but hey, you can use whatever you want. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of this seasoning right here. That's garlic. This is my favorite Italian seasoning from Blackstone. Juice it up. Got it. Our oven's been preheated. We're fixing to stick this in here. I mean, this is what I found works for me. I put it on this little platter. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm gonna slide it off of there straight on the stone. And that's when it really gets it cooking good and you get your good flavors. But I'm just learning this. I mean, I'm sure there's better ways. Look it up. You can use your pizza peel, but I like to do it this way. Just a minute. We're gonna slide it on there. Keep on cooking. Pizza don't have to be hard. Make it your way. This is alligator pizza. Watch this. Now is that pretty or what? Look at there. Well, I ain't no pizza expert, but I'm telling you what, this looks perfect to me. Now we're fixing to cut this up. Next time, we're gonna cut this up. I got an eye there. Get my Bubba knife. Ain't nothing go through the Bubba knife. Now pizza's a funny thing. You cook it and it's round. You cut it in triangles and you put it in a square box. Now does that make sense? No, it don't. All right, y'all, this is O-E-I-O. I'm telling y'all, it's some good stuff. Get your topping, make it gator, shrimp, don't matter what it is, fish, neutral, and make your own pizzas. Who made this? Glad. Glad you ain't mine no more.
Tonight you're cooking with the